Hey folks, it's Stuart from Triple S Cycle Works, and I just wanted to show you guys the Rekluse Torque Drive direct replacement clutch setup. So as you know, Rekluse makes the best auto clutch setup, but they also make direct replacement manual setups. And their manual setup, what they've done is they've made the fiber plates thinner, and therefore you can have more of them. This one has 12, where this Yamaha that we're putting this in only has 8, so you can transfer a lot more torque. So you get the plates, the fiber plates, you get the steel drives, you get the new springs, and then you get these fingers that really reduce wear. They go into your clutch basket and they reduce that kind of wear. So if you're looking for a high quality replacement clutch, Rekluse is definitely one to look at. Triple S Cycle Works sells, repairs, services Rekluse clutches, so give us a call, 902-275-8076 if you have more questions. That's all for now. Bye.